Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, but when you're trying to lose weight, choosing the right foods is crucial. Many people skip breakfast or grab unhealthy options due to a lack of time. But did you know that eating a balanced breakfast can boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and help you burn fat more efficiently? In this video, we'll share 12 quick and healthy breakfast options that are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and perfect for weight loss. These meals take minimal time to prepare and will keep you full and energized throughout the day. If you're serious about your health and want fast, easy, and delicious breakfast ideas, keep watching. Now, let's dive in. 1. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which support digestion and keep you full for longer. Adding berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries provides antioxidants, while a handful of nuts adds healthy fats and crunch. Why it's great for weight loss. Protein keeps you full and prevents overeating later in the day. Berries add natural sweetness without excess sugar. Nuts provide healthy fats that support metabolism. Quick tip: use unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars. 2. Oatmeal with chia seeds and almond butter. Oatmeal is a classic high-fiber breakfast that keeps blood sugar stable and prevents cravings. Adding chia seeds boosts the fiber content, while almond butter provides protein and healthy fats. Why it's great for weight loss. Soluble fiber helps reduce hunger and supports digestion. Keeps you satisfied for hours with slow-releasing energy. Chia seeds add extra protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Quick tip: avoid instant oatmeal with added sugar. Opt for plain rolled oats and add natural sweeteners like cinnamon or honey. 3. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. Avocado toast is not just trendy, it's nutrient-packed and great for weight loss. Avocados are rich in fiber and healthy monounsaturated fats, which help you stay full. Why it's great for weight loss. Healthy fats keep you full and prevent cravings. Whole grain bread provides slow-digesting carbs for energy. Adding toppings like tomatoes, eggs, or seeds enhances nutrition. Quick tip: stick to one slice of bread to keep calories in check. 4. Smoothie with protein and greens. A well-balanced smoothie can be a quick and nutritious way to start the day. A great combo includes protein powder, spinach or kale, banana, and almond milk. Why it's great for weight loss. Protein supports muscle building and fat loss. Greens add vitamins and minerals without extra calories. Keeps you hydrated and energized. Quick tip: add flax seeds or chia seeds for extra fiber and satiety. 5. Hard-boiled eggs with whole grain crackers. Eggs are one of the best sources of protein and contain essential nutrients. Pairing them with whole grain crackers provides a balanced meal that's easy to grab on busy mornings. Why it's great for weight loss. High protein helps with satiety and muscle maintenance. Whole grains add complex carbs for lasting energy. Quick, portable, and can be prepped in advance. Quick tip: sprinkle eggs with black pepper and a pinch of paprika for added flavor. 6. Cottage cheese with pineapple and flax seeds. Cottage cheese is low in calories and high in protein, making it a fantastic breakfast choice. When combined with pineapple, it creates a naturally sweet and refreshing meal. Why it's great for weight loss. Protein-rich and helps control appetite. Pineapple provides digestive enzymes that aid metabolism. Flax seeds add fiber and omega-3s for better digestion. Quick tip: choose low-fat cottage cheese for a lighter option. 7. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Scrambled eggs take only a few minutes to prepare and can be made even healthier with spinach and feta cheese. Spinach is low in calories but packed with iron and fiber, while feta adds flavor without too much fat. Why it's great for weight loss. High in protein and essential nutrients. Keeps you full and reduces midday snacking. Spinach boosts iron and fiber intake. Quick tip: cook with a little olive oil instead of butter to keep it healthy. 8. Chia pudding with almond milk and honey. Chia pudding is an overnight, no-cook breakfast that's perfect for meal prep. Chia seeds absorb liquid, creating a creamy texture that pairs well with honey, nuts, or berries. Why it's great for weight loss. High fiber content keeps digestion smooth. Omega-3s help with inflammation and fat burning. A satisfying low-calorie option. Quick tip: let the chia pudding sit overnight for the best texture. 9. Whole grain pancakes with almond butter. If you love pancakes, switching to whole grain flour and healthy toppings can make them weight loss friendly. Why it's great for weight loss. Whole grains digest slowly, preventing energy crashes. Almond butter adds healthy fats and protein. Tastes delicious while being nutrient-dense. Quick tip: use banana or applesauce instead of sugar for natural sweetness. 10. Peanut butter banana toast. This classic combination is quick, tasty, and packed with energy. Peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, while bananas offer natural sweetness and potassium. Why it's great for weight loss. Peanut butter helps curb cravings and provides energy. Bananas are naturally filling without excessive calories. A fast and easy-to-make meal. Quick tip: use natural peanut butter with no added sugar. 11. Salmon and avocado on rice cakes. Salmon is rich in omega-3s and high-quality protein, while avocado adds fiber and healthy fats. This meal is low-carb but super satisfying. Why it's great for weight loss. Supports fat metabolism and heart health. Keeps you full for hours. A great low-carb, high-protein option. Quick tip: use smoked salmon for convenience. 12th. Tofu scramble with veggies. For those looking for a plant-based protein option, a tofu scramble with veggies is an excellent alternative to eggs. Why it's great for weight loss. High in protein and low in calories. Provides essential amino acids for muscle maintenance. A great vegan-friendly option. Quick tip: add turmeric for a golden color and anti-inflammatory benefits. Final thoughts: choosing the right breakfast can set the tone for your entire day, helping you stay energized, full, and on track with your weight loss goals. Each of these options is nutritious, delicious, and quick to prepare, so you never have to skip breakfast again. Which of these healthy breakfasts will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching the Disease Vlog, where we bring you the best health advice for a better life. See you in the next video.